Today, I'm going to show you how to make this pan-fried croaker straight from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive right into it. So I got these croakers from my local Walmart. It comes in a bag just like this. It's already headed, gutted, and tailed, ready to cook. And you know me, I'm all about convenience. So we're going to hit it with a generous amount of black pepper. Next, we're going to hit it with some Old Bay seasoning because let's be real, spice is life. I mean, come on. What is life without spice? You tell me. I gotta have my spice. Next, we're gonna crack some sea salt. We're gonna put that, not too much, but on top of the fish. We're gonna rub all that in, just like this, as you see right here. And then we're gonna flip it and repeat on the other side. Next up, we're gonna grab you a bowl and get some cornstarch. How much you ask, doesn't matter, as long as it coats the fish. That's how much I use. I eyeball it, but you do not need a lot. We're looking for a light batter, so we want it to be crispy and thin. We do not want this to be thick. So grab your fillet like this and just roll it into the cornstarch. We're just filling it all in, all the gaps, make sure everything is covered, and then kind of just rub it on, and dust it off a little bit. So we're looking for a light consistency, just like this. See, you can kind of see the fish through the batter. The fish is already moist, so once you put it into the batter, it's going to absorb some of that and it's going to stick. So there is no water required. So yeah, put all your fish into this batter, give it a light coat, and then after that, set it aside and we're going to get ready to fry the fish on medium-high heat. And there you have it, everybody. Pan-fried croaker. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.